Our new Bemis toilet seats came in and Lucas is going to show us how to put them on.
Yeah. Gonna get the pins.
So each of those pins or bolts went into each of the holes on the toilet. Lucas, what are those that you're going to put on there?
These are tightening bolts to keep everything secure.
It comes with 2 of those bolts and the black wrench that you see Lucas using.
What? Should I?
And now he's doing the second bolt. Once you've hand tightened those bolts, you take your black wrench. Can you show us what that black wrench looks like, Lucas? And you use that to turn the bolt counterclockwise until it snaps and breaks off. With the Bemis toilet seats, you have an option of round or elongated for your toilet, and with optional arms that we will install on this one. There's also an optional bidet that can be added. Once your bolts are tightened, the tips of them will break off and you know it's very secure. And now we can add the optional arms to it. As you can see, it's also hinged for easy cleaning. And this is our new Bemis toilet seat. Thanks, Lucas.
Thanks, Kristen.